So today I am going to talk about this Olly Happy Hoo-Ha everyone, and it's support vaginal health and pH balance, multi-strain vaginal probiotics. So this is where the one capsule per you take one capsule, and it's this is vaginal probiotic blend, and it comes in 25 capsules there. So let's go look at it. It is yeah, you guys, it's standard, very easy to swallow. I already used this one, but I feel the difference. So yeah, I'll let you know the update if it works. Olly's Happy Hoo-Ha.